Hey guys, we're back with another review this time. I guess we'll call it an install as well. But this is a D-Lumina windshield sunshade. We got it off Amazon. We'll put a link in the description. Just want to take a look at it. It's very important here in Texas, especially to cover the dash. Pretty big. It's got Velcro. Go around your rearview mirror. Okay, so now we're going to take a look at it, install it, and see how much light it blocks out. Pretty sturdy. Okay, so just kind of do a scenario like you would when you park somewhere. So we'll open it up and see how it is since it's so big. Blocks pretty much everything out. I think that's a win. Puts up a little bit of a struggle, but it fits perfectly. It fits the windshield exact. So I think that's good. A little practice probably go a little bit easier. All right, thanks guys. Like and subscribe. And keep an eye out for new videos.